Namaste everyone, this is Mangleshwar Thoju. This is my YouTube channel for information and innovation. So subscribe my YouTube channel. For today, my video is...
Alright, according to question number 1, mention any one difference between Bagmati province and Gandaki province. And a student writes, the difference between Bagmati province and Gandaki province is Bagmati province is developed in various infrastructures, whereas Gandaki province is less developed. So I gave 1 mark. So a good student writes in this way, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, in this way respectively. In accordance with question number 8, the SDI of Nepal is very low. How can it be affiliated? Right. So it is of 4 marks and student writes in this way. It is said to be good presentation. It is because he or she has presented in this way, or student has given conclusion as well. In this way, SDI of Nepal can be affiliated. So neat handwriting, good concept, point wise, that's why I gave 3.5 in 4 marks. Not only this, question number 9, space required for question number 9 is not enough. That's why he or she writes on another page in this way. This is answer of question number 9. And question number 10. Question number 10 is, senior citizens are the wealth of knowledge and experience. Justify these statements. So according to this question, this student has also done in a positive fashion. So I gave 3.5 in 4 marks. Once again, like before, he or she has written conclusion as well. And question number 11 is, write any 4 contemporary causes of drug abuse. But my suggestion for this type of student is, you have to write your point-wise questions answer in complete sentence. Don't write only bad company. Bad company should be avoided. Or due to bad company, drug abuse is increasing. You can write in this way. This is symbol of a good student. It is because in question number 8, it is a question of SDI. While answering, student cuts his or her words while answering in case of mistake, र यसरी लेख्ने बेलामा आफ्नो शब्द गल्ती भएको अवस्थामा, जस्तो कि यता इन्कमलाई यसरी काटेको देखिन्छ INCOME भनेर, अनि यसरी काटेको अवस्थामा पनि राम्रो देखिन्छ यो ह्यान्डराइटिङ, र त्यसकारण त I gave 3.5 marks. In terms of Nepal's map, Gadimai Temple, Tilicho Lake, Mount Lhotse, sugarcane production area, out of 4, only Mount Lhotse is right, but actually यो Mount Lhotse पनि राम्ररी मिलेको छैन. So त्यहाँबाट 0.5 अनि 2.5 3 बाट 3 मा 2.5 दिएर मैले 3.5 मार्क्स दिएको छु यसलाई. र यसरी नेपालको म्यापमा पनि यो आउटलाइन जुन बक्स मात्र लेखिकन भित्रको जुन लाइन छ त्यसलाई काट्दाखेरि बेटर हुन्छ. I am reminding you that this is a question of Institutional Schools Association Nepal Isan SEE Model Examination 2017. Question number 16 is, this is new type of question nowadays. Share has been major attraction of the investors. What can be it causes? आजभोलि लगानीकर्ताहरूको प्रमुख आकर्षण शेयर बनेको छ. यसका कारणहरू के हुन सक्छन्? A student writes, in this way. The first paragraph is said to be background. र यस्तो 4 मार्क्सको क्वेसनमा ग्रुप बीमा जुन किसिमबाट हाम्रो 4 मार्क्स छ र यो शेयरमा किन एट्र्याक्सन भइरहेको छ, यसको कारणहरू के होलान् भन्ने जुन प्रश्नको जुन मार्क छ, यस सम्बन्धमा यति विधि धेरै हामीले ब्याकग्राउन्ड लेख्न आवश्यक छैन. We can enter main causes of the share in this way. These 4 reasons are supposed to be the best, and that's why I gave 3.5 marks. And question number 16's answer: investors can earn huge profit by investing some money. Money can be earned easily without high effort and struggle. Various trustworthy companies and institutions have been selling shares to public and individuals. People have learned about the huge importance, process and benefit of share market. Hence, these are the causes of the major attraction of investors towards share. So in this regard, my suggestion is it will be better to write down A, B, C, D. अर्थात् यसरी बुढागत रूपमा लेख्ने बेलामा ABCD लेखेको भए राम्रो हुने थियो. किन भन्दाखेरि 1 2 3 4 भनेर लेख्दाखेरि जसरी हाम्रो क्वेसन पेपरमा 11 12 यसरी 1 देखि 21 सम्म सोधिन्छ नि, र यसरी नै 1 2 3 4 लेख्दाखेरि क्वेसनको एन्सर लेख्ने बेलामा 1 2 3 4 लेख्दाखेरि कपी चेकर will be in dilemma, confusion. That's why it is better to write down A, B, C, D while writing point-wise type questions answer, or I Roman letter लेखे पनि हुन्छ. Question number 17 is विश्वमा भएका कुनै 4 वटा समसामयिक घटनाहरू लेख्नुहोस्, एउटा वर्णन गर्नुहोस्. Write any 4 current issues of the world and describe about any one of them. Regarding these questions answer, a student writes forest fire. Actually, forest fire is said to be wildfire. जुन जंगलमा डडेलो लागेको थियो यो 2077 सालमा. हेभी एयर पोल्युसन बनेको छ. एलन मस्क स्पेस हैज फेल्ड ड्यू टू फग बनेको छ. फास्ट स्प्रिड अफ COVID-19 इन इंडिया. वाउ, भेरी गुड. एक्चुअली सेकेन्ड वेव जुन COVID-19 को आएको छ त्यो भेरी गुड त होइन, तर कन्टेम्पोरेरी इश्यूजमा इट इज बेटर, और इट इज भेरी भेरी कन्टेम्पोरेरी बर्निङ इश्यूको रूपमा हामी लिन सक्छौँ. बट वन्स अगेन माई सजेसन इज कोल्ड वार बिट्विन चाइना एन्ड अमेरिका और ट्रेड वार बिट्विन चाइना एन्ड अमेरिका पनि एउटा भइदिएको भए सुनमा सुगन्ध हुने थियो. Yes, indeed, a good student also commits mistake. How? In this way. Question number 1 is mention any one difference between Bagmati province and Gandaki province. And student writes, district like Kathmandu, Bhaktapur, Pokhara lies here. It is shocking. Pokhara is not district name. Ani Gandaki मा लेखिएको छ यहाँ district like Ilam, Dhankuta, Rapti lies here. अब के गर्ने? What can I do more? 0.5 marks I gave. It is because यो काट्यो भने पनि अन्याय भए जस्तो हुने है. राप्ती भनेको जिल्लाको नाम हैन, रिभरको नाम हो, र यसरी जिल्लाको नाम लेख्ने यो उत्तर पनि होइन. बागमती प्रोभिन्स र गण्डकी प्रोभिन्सको के उत्तर लेख्नु पर्ला त्यसो भए? फेरि अर्को स्टुडेन्टले लेख्छ यता, दिस प्रोभिन्स इज स्मल देन गण्डकी प्रोभिन्स, गण्डकी इज बिगर देन बागमती प्रोभिन्स. यो पनि काट्न मिल्दैन. सो 0.5 मार्क्स दिए. अब त्यसो भए व्हाट इज बेस्ट एन्सर फर दिस? बागमती प्रोभिन्स इज द डेभलप्ड, मोस्ट डेभलप्ड प्रोभिन्स लेख्न सक्छौ. गण्डकी इज लेस डेभलप एन्ड अल्सो ह्याभिङ क्लाइमेटिक डाइभर्सिटी लेख्यो भने इट विल बी बेस्ट एन्सर. Once again, a best question answer presentation, I must say. Question number 9 is question number 9 means clarify the positive effects of National Pride project that is in operation in your province in 4 points. Yes, the student has written in this way in 4 points and also very good enough. That's why I gave 3.5. And senior citizens are the wealth of knowledge and experience. Justify. So question number 10 answer is also very good. That's why I gave 3.5. र यसरी at the end here she has given conclusion. That's why I gave 3.5 and handwriting is also good enough. र फेरि पनि यस्तो खालको प्रश्नको उत्तर लेख्ने सम्बन्धमा मेरो के सुझाव रहन्छ भन्दाखेरि सुरुमै क्वेशन नम्बर 10 जुन सिनियर सिटिजन्स आर द वेल अफ नलेज एन्ड एक्सपिरियन्स छ त्यो एउटा सेन्टेन्सलाई माथि लेखेको भए अझ राम्रो हुने थियो अनि मेन बडीको रूपमा त्यसपछि कन्क्लुजनको रूपमा एउटा लास्ट लाइन. This is also an instance of good students, good copy, and he or she writes answer respectively. र आफूलाई नआउँदाखेरि पनि जुन किसिमबाट क्वेसन नम्बर 6 मा यसरी खाली राखेको छ पछि सम्झने बेलामा लेख्न सकिन्छ. र in terms of question number 9 and the whole copy is covered अथवा कपीको जुन कभरेज छ यो आफै राम्रो विद्यार्थीको गुणको रूपमा हामीले स्वीकार्नै पर्छ. Question number 9 national pride projects in this way. Question number 10 senior citizens question answer. Likewise question number 11, 12. Last of all question looks like this is Institutional Schools Association Nepal Isan SEE Model Examination 2077 Bhaktapur. You can subscribe my YouTube channel. It is because YouTube channel for information and innovations, and also you can search more videos on my YouTube channel, especially for class 9, 10 and 11 social studies. Thanks for watching.
I am sure you liked my video, so subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my video. Thanks for watching.